Over 6 decades of iterative updates, crafted with care, HRM Series Vertical Rotor Mill is born for grinding engineering. HRM Series Vertical Rotor Mill is mainly composed of main motor, main reducer, frame, shell, grinding table device, grinding rotor device, transmission arm device, high-efficiency dynamic and static separator device, hydraulic system, grinding rotor lubrication system, etc. In the milling production line, the combination of weighing feeder, bucket elevator, and rotor scale conveys the material to the center of the mill. The mill rotates with the grinding table through the main motor driving the reducer. Under the action of centrifugal force, the materials falling in the center of the grinding table gradually grade towards the edge of the grinding table and enter the grinding track. The hydraulic system provides direct force for the grinding rotors, allowing the materials to be crushed under the grinding rotors crushing. High-temperature airflow, circulating airflow, and natural air enter from the lower shell of the mill through the system ducts and pass through the upper and lower wind rings, where the airflow at the appropriate speed brings up the ground material. And then the materials are carried up by the high-speed airflow at the wind ring inside the mill and enter the high-efficiency separator. The semi-finished products will fall back to the center of the mill through the ash hopper along the static settling area of the separator blades for secondary grinding. The finished products will be discharged from the mill through the rotor of the separator. The material falling from the edge of the grinding disc into the scraping chamber will be scraped along the grinding disc by the scraping plate to the outer circulation elevator and will be lifted and re-entered into the feed system of the mill. Finished product collection equipment generally adopts pulse dust collector. Finished product materials fall into dust hopper of dust collector and then transferred to the designated storage by screw conveyor or warehouse pump type equipment. HRM Series Vertical Rotor Mill is a building material equipment integrating drying, grinding, and high-efficiency powder selection. HRM Series Vertical Rotor Mill adopts bowl-type grinding table structure and tire-type grinding rotor structure, which makes it have high grinding efficiency. Different grinding curves are designed for different materials, which makes it very easy to stabilize the material layer and thus maximize the grinding efficiency. The design uses professional analysis software to optimize the mechanical structure of the mill and the media flow field, significantly improving the screening efficiency. The design that the grinding rotors can be turned out of the mill alone makes the maintenance more convenient. HRM Series Vertical Rotor Mill with grinding table diameter from 800 mm to 7,800 mm. The number of grinding rotors are 2 rotors, 3 rotors, 4 rotors. There are more than 20 types of mills to choose from, which are widely used in more than 10 kinds of materials such as raw cement, clinker, lithium pyroxene, slag, steel slag, non-metallic ore, construction waste, etc., helping the development of cement, electric power, metallurgy, chemical industry, non-metallic mining, and other industries. At present, HRM Series vertical rotor mills are applied in more than 30 countries and regions, with more than 2,000 sets of performance. Its market share accounts for nearly 62% of the building materials market in mainland China and has been ranked first for 40 years.